Hi, the purpose of this video is to make sure that you know how to use Quizlet. When I tell you we're going to have a quiz on the first 27 words in this Quizlet, and there's actually 37, as you can see here, 37 terms. So what can you do? For example, if you've been shuffling, if you've turned on card shuffle, the way they appear to you, if you go back to the beginning, look, I'm going back to the beginning. I've turned on card shuffle, and so have you. Well, my first term isn't going to be the same as your first term. If I turn off card shuffle, and I'm clicking here, I'm going back to the beginning, I believe I'm going to get the first of the terms. Almost, okay. But the other thing I'm going to tell you is to scroll down to here. Okay. And see how it says, still learning. You've started learning these terms. Keep it up. You know what I want to do? I want to make sure I don't have card shuffle turned on. So I'm going to make sure I don't have card sorting turned on. See this gear button? I'm going to click on the gear button. Oh, good. Card sorting is turned off. You can toggle it on or off. It's off. And I want it to have me answer with French because that's harder. If I click it this way, it would answer with English. I want to answer with French. Okay, now I'm going to get out of there. This is how you tell what the first 27 terms are. Scroll. So you've got this here, the flashcards here. Scroll down here. Okay. I guess you could count the first 27. But you know what? I'm too lazy to do that. Here's something else you can do. Down here, you have these 3 dots. I'm not talking about these 3 dots. I'm talking about these 3 dots down here. Click on that, and we're going to fake out Quizlet and make Quizlet think that we're going to print, but we're not really going to. I click on print, and I have all these options. Table is the default. Look at that. Here they are in order, and they're numbered for you. So 27 is l'informatique. If I put it in glossary mode, I don't like the way it looks. Some of you guys might. If I say small, these are small flashcards, they're too small. Medium flashcards, hey, you know what? You could print these out and cut them and then fold them along here. That would make flashcards. Large flashcards look kind of like that. But basically, what I'm trying to show you is, oops, table. This is one way to see them in order, so you can see the first 27. The other way, I'm going to go back to set. The other way is to simply scroll down here, and you can see the first 27 that way. Okay, I hope that was helpful.